This is the fairy tale village in France that nobody talks about. Nestled in the heart of Alsace, this little town looks like it was picked right from the pages of a storybook. But there's something different about this village. It's not just the colorful houses or winding street. It's the river that flows gently through the town, reflecting centuries-old facades and carrying whispers of medieval times. And if you think it's charming now, just wait until Christmas when it transforms into a living snow globe. But my favorite time? Spring. When cherry blossoms frame the streets and locals open their shops, inviting you in like an old friend. Add Kaysersberg to your bucket list. Follow for more hidden gems. This